Okay, so I know we're not all perfect. I've been working with Affinity for a long while, and I accidentally clicked on a button and found out this is how it works. So let me tell you the dilemma. I used to go, okay, I just made each of these words sort of separate words, and I'll show you what the thing was. So say I take this word and I keep shift down and I click this and I go Control G to group it. Okay, or where is it up here? There we could group it there, but Control G is the one I use. Okay, and then we go and I'm going to keep shift down. So I'm going to create a group within a group, another Control G, and then keep shift down and another group. So if I wanted to get to this here, for example, everyone, and this could go with any image, usually what I do is I kind of double click on it and then I click and I double click again and then it selects and I double click. You can see what's happening and it ultimately gets to that point. So now I can kind of move between. So I've done like 1, 2, 3 double click sessions. So I kind of thought that was my only way that I could get it. And lo and behold, as I wasn't looking at the keyboard and I was clicking somewhere and I did something and I saw it have an effect and I looked down and instead of pressing the shift, I was pressing control, and look what happens. If I keep control and I just click here, check that out. It goes and selects that immediately. Isn't that cool? Look, if I click off, if I click here now, it's got the whole lot. If I want to click this one, which took me double click, double click, double click, if I keep control down and I click here, it goes straight there. Okay. For those of you who knew it and things like, oh, everybody knows that. I didn't. I just realized now. So to get into a lot of layers of groups and you want to get to that element, keep control down, click straight on it, and there we go. So hopefully I could make somebody's life more easy. Let me just try it again for the sake of it. So if I select there, click, click, nothing happens with a single click. However, control down and click once. Whoop, whoop, there we go. There's it off again. Control, click once, and then I can move it. And if I click off, the group is still initiated. This is so cool. Thanks, guys. Hopefully that helps. Have a fantastic day. Be blessed, and shalom to everybody.